Yo, what's up guys? Crypto Comet coming at you with another video. Today's video we are going to do technical analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to do technical analysis on Ethereum and Kaspa. Alright, so let's dive into the charts. Alright guys, so if we look at the charts, we are working with the Bitcoin versus US dollar pair. Alright, we always want to take a look at Bitcoin first before we go into altcoins because, as I like to put it, when Bitcoin sneezes, all the other coins react, right? So no matter what Bitcoin does, all the altcoins are going to react based off of what Bitcoin does. All right, so let's see what Bitcoin is doing first. All right, in our last prediction video, when we were doing our analysis in the technical analysis journal, make sure you guys go check out that video, technical analysis journal number 3. All right, we said that Bitcoin was going to likely drop down to the $90,000 level, 95, and we said possibly to the 91. Bitcoin went down to 91, it went slightly past it to the 88, and it went right back up. All right, now it's breaking past that $95,000 level and heading to the top of the trend line. All right, or I should say it's heading to the top of this triangle pattern. All right, so if we can get Bitcoin to break out past $100,000, right, and then to continue to break out past this 107. See, what we want to see happen is we want to see Bitcoin go up. Seems that we're having a slight issue. All right, well, anyway, what we want to see is Bitcoin go up out of this pattern, right? We want to see it break up out of this triangle pattern, possibly come down and retest, and then continue to go up and break out past that $107,000 level like we've been waiting for. If Bitcoin can do that, we can go up to the $143,000 level, possibly even the $150,000 level. All right. Now, is Bitcoin going to do that? Who knows? But you can see that. Let's see. If you look closely, I would like to pull up that MACD. Seems we're having a slight issue. Give it just a second. Hold on a moment. Yeah, what we want to do. All right, and we are back. All right, back to the charts. Sorry about that, guys. Seems like we were having a little bit of issues. Oh, we got all those little lines we were trying to draw. All right. Sometimes it slows down when I'm trying to record or stream. All right, so again, what we were saying is we want Bitcoin to come up break out past this triangle level, right? Retest and break back up past the $107 level. Now, of course, none of these assets are going to just go straight up. All right, so we're going to see a little bit of volatility, but we want to see that in an upward motion. The reason I say that is because we've got a bullish cross already happening here on the MACD. So yes, it's very likely that Bitcoin is going to go up. It's going up now as we speak. Now let's go into some of the altcoins. But before we go into the altcoins, what we want to do is we want to look at the Bitcoin dominance, because like we said, whatever Bitcoin does, that's how the altcoins react. All right, so we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, right? I'm gonna pull up the Bollinger Bands. All right, as we can see right now, on the Bitcoin dominance, we see that we've hit a resistance point and we're coming down some, which means that the dominance is falling. That means that altcoins are going to start experiencing a upwards movement. All right, Bitcoin dominance could come as low as 50. It could come down to 57%, and it could come as low as 57. Excuse me. It could come as low as 57%. All right. Once the Bitcoin dominance is moving down, that means that altcoins have to start going up. All right, and they do that time after time. So now could be a good time to start. Well, not even could be, now is a good time to be collecting altcoins with good fundamental values, right? Let's take a look at this MACD, just to be sure. All right, you see we've got a cross right here on the Bitcoin dominance on the daily chart. So it's possible, we got a bullish cross. It's possible that Bitcoin could start, Bitcoin dominance is going to experience it's going to take over the markets for a little bit, right? If we go to this 4-hour chart, we see the little green. We could come down as low as 57 still. See, we're going to see a little volatility because between the 4-hour and the day chart. On the day chart, we got a bullish cross on the MACD. On the 4-hour chart, in the immediate short term, we got a bearish cross. So that means we could go down to the 57% and right back up, right? So this is why I said you want altcoins with good fundamental value. And if you're going to be in meme coins, get into well-known meme coins that you know are going to go up like Dogecoin. All right, let's move on to the Kaspa chart. All right, so Kaspa is in this triangle pattern here, right? Now this triangle pattern, it shows that earlier on, Kaspa broke out. Yeah, it's showing that Kaspa broke out of that pattern. Let's go to the day chart, so it's a little more in view. Yeah, it showed Kaspa broke out of this pattern low, but what it appeared to be is actually a shakeout because we went right back up into that pattern. All right, so if we're going back up into that pattern, that means the past resistance is now has now turned into support, so we could experience a bounce. Not to mention the Bitcoin dominance could be trading sideways, right? It could go up as well, but with all the volatility and based on past performance, altcoins with good fundamental value, good fundamentals will go up. And Kaspa, being a coin with a fair launch, you know, relatively new, it's about to have a tier 1 listing, hopefully on Binance. Guys, Kaspa could be something that you want to look into. It's also the first of its kind. It's a block DAG, right? So it organizes the transactions in a whole new way. All right. So yeah, Kaspa is something that I'm definitely in. All right. Now, if Kaspa can break past this if Kaspa breaks past this 15 cent level, guys, then that means we'll get out of this triangle. First, it needs to break past the 14 cent level. If it does that, we're doing something. We can hit up to the 15. Once we get out of that 15 cent level, then that means we're breaking up. All right, and once we break up, let's see how far we can go in the medium term, short, medium term, something like that. Kaspa could go up as far as 23 cents, guys, 23 cents. So we're obviously about to hit 14 cents. We know that. What we want to see is it break past the 14.8, 15 cent level, right? And we want to see it go up. Now, is it going to go up? Who knows? Let's see what kind of resistances we got. All right, so once we break past that 15 cent level, the next heavy resistance is around the 18, 19 cent level. All right. With Bitcoin dominance doing what it does, if it continues to go down, then I think we can see Kaspa breaking past 18 to the 20 and to the 23 cent level. All right. And again, with Kaspa's tier 1 listing, with it having a fair launch, with his the type of eccentric value or the fundamentals that Kaspa has, and the market cap as well. You guys, we could see Kaspa go as high as I would say $1 to $5. All right, a lot of people are saying $10. I think it's possible, but I don't think it's possible in this cycle. So my prediction for Kaspa would be $1 to $5 max. All right. Anywhere in But right now, if we're at 14 cents, you could be buying Kaspa, and we got strong support levels at the 10-cent level. I don't think we're going down past that. All right. But if we can break past the 14, 15 cent level, I would start going into, if we can break past the 14.8 cent level and hit 15, I would start going into Kaspa heavy. I would definitely start going into Kaspa heavy. Now, regarding this MACD, yeah, we got a bullish cross on the MACD as well. All right. I always like to say that if Bitcoin and Ethereum had a baby, it would be Kaspa. So we might as well take a look at Ethereum. Seeing as Ethereum usually leads the markets, the altcoin markets. All right, I mean the altcoins in the markets. All right, whenever Bitcoin goes up in the bull cycle and Ethereum does the same, it's a good indicator that altcoins are going to have a strong altcoin season, which we are in right now. All right, and you can see that on the day chart, Ethereum has this descending triangle, which will break up, it looks like, which they tend to. So if we put that there, we're looking at Ethereum price target of $3,681 in the immediate short term. All right, if we can get Ethereum to break past that level, oh yeah, then that means Ethereum will go to the $4,000 level. So yeah, we could be experiencing a breakout on Ethereum. All right, if we look at the MACD, yeah, it looks like Ethereum could be getting ready to start turning upwards and maybe giving us a bullish cross. Right now we're in the red, so we're retesting this breakout. All right, so we always want to wait for the retest before we start buying in, but I always think that Ethereum tends to surprise people. All right. Yeah, even on the 4-hour time frame, we still got room to go up for Ethereum. So with Ethereum showing bullish progress, it's a good sign for the altcoins. With Bitcoin dominance doing what it's doing, that's a good sign for the altcoins. Bitcoin is going to experience a pump, right? Bitcoin is going to experience a pump, and I think it'll go as far as $150,000. So with all these bullish things happening, we got Donald Trump's inauguration about to happen. That itself could be a sell the news event. So, I mean, Bitcoin could drop, but we got bullish cross. We got all these good things happening in the markets and economically as far as tier 1 listings for Kaspa and stuff like that. I think that we got something good happening. Plus, we just finished a consolidation in Bitcoin. My recommendation, guys, start loading up on your altcoins for the altcoin season, and obviously get some Bitcoin as usual because nothing has changed. We're still bullish. But that is our technical analysis for today, and just stay tuned for more videos. I will keep you updated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.